Hello, everybody. Zeph here with Zeph Trading, March 1st, 2024. We're already 3 months into 2024. It's flying. 2 trades on the day, 2 winning trades, so done for today. A lot better price action, a lot better trade setups for me and myself. I feel like I did very well. We'll be going over that. Quick update for the YouTube channel. Hello, everyone, to all the new subscribers, past 500. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos and a light refreshment from all of the trading gurus. Kind of don't really enjoy that, don't like that side of trading, trying to clean it up a little bit on this trading community here, and show you what real traders do, not just throw Lamborghinis out there and make you want to consume. Anyways, that being said, moving soon, so I will be this might be my last video for 2 to 3 weeks. After that, I will be back once the internet's set up and I can continue trading. So please bear with me with that. But that being said, yeah, let's just jump right into this. Okay, daily chart broke all-time highs on for the ES or S&P 500 futures. I'm pretty sure the Nasdaq too. I haven't looked at it. But yesterday's outside bar, closing on its high, little stem there, but not bad. The break of that bar, looking for a nice move up into break of the all-time high at 51.2350, which we did. Again, looking for the creep up to 51.50 and our outer brown band here at 51.76. We are at the top of our trend channel here as well, so we'll see if it pulls back after this and see how high we can really get this. First, these could be your 2 initial targets using Fibonacci extensions if you'd like. But nonetheless, that's kind of what it looks like for today. And if we sell off first, again, always first target's going to be the 21 EMA. And if we keep going up again, targets at 51.50, 51.40, 51.66, brown band at 51.76. Okay, let's jump over to the 2000 tick chart. Okay, this is what it looks like for today on the 2000 tick chart. Opened up with a pretty decent trading range here. As you guys can see, nice sell-off in the pre-market and rallying after market open. Had a little bit of a news event here. Got a 2-legged pullback and nice strong trend rally. I know it's 11:30. This video is going out pretty soon, but I'm done for Friday. I want to get out of here. So, okay, let's just jump right into this and let's see. Okay, so a nice market rally down in the pre-market. If you are trading this, I don't really see anything here. Also, it's just such low volume that's kind of a pain to trade. So 9:30 opens. We consolidate here. Basically, get this 2-legged move up. As you can see, a lot of 2 legs today, so make sure you're doing those and measuring them. Doesn't go exactly to it all the time, but it gets darn close. Consolidation, nice little range here, sells off. This is where I take my first trade. And I see this uptrend played out. Uptrend, break, new high, consolidation. I clearly see from our high here, first entry long, pulls back. Second entry long, rejected off EMA, low risk bar, good signal bar. If this was red, it would have been a little better, but I'm expecting a new low. So go short here, take my 2 points, and my runner. I also see that this is right off the midline and nice big support box here. So I just get my runner, and I was going to trail it 1 tick above. I see this bar close, and then I just make sure that I get out here, right at that midline, right at support. Probability that it breaks through is very low. So yeah. Then you have another one here, second entry short, double top, triple test, 1, 2, 3, first entry short, second entry short. I saw this, you'd have to do a limit order because your risk would be more than 8 ticks. So if you got that in a nice limit order, it's a doji bar, not the best signal bar. But you clearly see it's a trading range, and a move back down to the lows here is reasonable. Then we get the news item here. You got to stay flat. This is basically, I think it's FOMC or something. You get 2-legged pullback. You also get a first entry, second entry long. This is super risky trade. Again, this is right before the news event, or in it, I'm pretty sure. So these are both really aggressive setups. Very congested. I mark them just so you can see them, but I would not trade this. First entry long, pullback, second entry long. This is just too congested. And then you get a failure. You could also say a higher low if you really want from this high. Then it fails and you get a 2-legged pullback. So then that's done. You get a nice trend working up. I don't see anywhere to get in here. And then another news event happens I think there was two. I'm pretty sure there was two. Anyways, this is just congested. This was a news event as well. Very congested. Stay out of all this. I'm patient with it. I wait for it. And then this thing just kind of starts to take off. And then you get a first entry long, second entry long, fails, comes down right into this support section here. Nice outside bar closing on its high, big bullish bar. Again, then this thing just takes off. You do get a first entry pullback, second entry, first entry, another one, a first entry, so a high one. So no trade setups to get in here, unfortunately. You can also kind of just see the visual two-legged pullback that's happening here, two-legged pull up, I should say. And this is a very strong trend. You could have drawn the trend channel like this or like this. There's a few ways to do it. I'm pretty sure I have the right one here. The trend channels are pretty subjective. I mean, you're looking for more data points across the lines here, and that's how I saw it this way. But yeah, this price action just goes right above the moving average here, and I'm long biased for sure. So this is when I come in and I see my second trade of the day, and I see counting from our most recent high here, first entry long, pulls back, this bar breaks lower, then turns up, so I see a second entry long. Then I'm like, well, I can't go one tick above this bar. It's too much risk. I don't want to risk all the way down here. That's, I can't do that. So I put a limit order in. I'm like, okay, well, this might be a first entry long pullback, second entry long failure. Then I see this beautiful bar close. I had an expectation that this would potentially happen, and it did. And, this is 5 ticks, super low risk. Love this setup. First entry long, second entry long, comes down, makes a higher low, second entry long, higher low, confirmation of the second entry long. I go long, 1 tick above. Now, the only thing with this is I went for 6 ticks, not 8. Looking back, I still feel like this was, you guys can tell me in the comments what you think, but there's 1, 2, and I was looking for a resistance right across here. I'm also looking on my other chart here with my Kentler channels, and I clearly see my oscillators are screaming that, hey, we might have a sell divergence coming up here. So I wanted to go for a probability trade that was realistic. And so, everyone's going to be looking to sell short right here. So I just wanted to go 2 ticks below so I can at least get filled as I trail my stop right when this closes. And, I get the 6 ticks, and then it goes up a little bit. And then I'm like on my runner here, I'm like, okay, 1, 2, 3, resistance. I'm like, I got to get out. Runner's going to get stopped. For sure, I was correct about the structure here, and I'm going to be getting a sell-off with the sell divergence here. And sure enough, I was right, so I just go and get the runner out real quick for 7 ticks. So overall, maybe I should have left it for the 8 points. I feel like this was a very discretionary trade. As for my profit target, because I was expecting a sell divergence, which I was correct about, and we're scalping here. So that's what I saw. I made the decision, and I did it correctly. I feel like this was a great trade. This beautiful, I was patient with this. I really wanted to get in on this bar. I'm like, I can't do that. Wow, this thing's selling off. And first entry long, second entry long, waited, patient, was patient for it, learned my lessons, look for a higher low, did it. Beautiful 5-tick bar. Take that trade any day of the week. I will take that again. And yeah, okay. So 6 ticks, 7 ticks on a runner. Pretty well. I feel like that's pretty good for today. I'm done for today. Again, just to reiterate, I'm moving. So once I get the internet set up, I can start trading, start making videos again. So please bear with me. In the meantime, hope you guys trade well. If you guys have any questions, email me. And I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But, gotta do some life decisions, so moving here. Alrighty, I will see you guys 2 or 3 weeks from now. Alright, bye.